The most common causes for a Lexus IS250 alarm repeatedly going off are faulty door, hood, or trunk switches and smart access keyless entry system glitches. Start by inspecting the door, hood, and trunk switches for corrosion or damage. These switches are magnetic or mechanical sensors that signal the ECU. Even slight corrosion from moisture can trigger false alarms. Next, check your key fob battery. A weak battery can cause the smart access system to malfunction, mimicking an intrusion attempt. Also, electromagnetic interference, EMI, from cell towers or charging stations can sometimes trigger false positives, so try parking in a different location to test this. If DIY checks don't reveal the problem, a diagnostic tool or a visit to a Lexus dealership may be necessary to read error codes and pinpoint the exact sensor or system at fault. Once you've identified the problem component, start by cleaning contacts with electrical cleaner. Replace faulty switches like the hood latch with affordable aftermarket sensors. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion on switches. For smart access issues, replace the key fob battery and recalibrate. Attempt a system reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. For complex smart access glitches, get a dealership reset using TechStream software. Remember, poorly executed DIY can void warranties, so consider professional help if unsure. Finally, regularly inspect and clean switches to prevent future false alarms.